Hi, well, I'm Tony Glynn, and I work here at the War Museum helping to develop exhibitions. And I've become really attached to some of the works that are on display. One of these is the painting that's behind me right now, and it depicts a hospital in the First World War. And that was really brought home to me about 2 years ago when I had a call from Et van Lingen, who works in our collection department. And she received an anonymous donation. She called me up and she said, do you know an E.M. Glenn? And I said, well, I had an E.M. Glenn who was a great uncle of mine who died in the First World War. And she said, well, I think we have his memorial cross. So I have it here in my hands, and this is memorial cross would have been given to Ernest Maxwell's widow. And where he died, I was very interested to learn, was at this hospital that's behind me in this painting. The hospital was bombed and the entire operating theater caught fire. There were nurses died, there were doctors had died, and among them my uncle, who was my great uncle, who was a radiologist working in the X-ray department. So there suddenly was a very personal connection that I didn't realize had existed until 2 years ago. And those are the kinds of stories among millions of stories. This is just one of those many stories, but it's one that strikes home.